Hello and welcome to a volleyball special only here in your go-to sports hangout. I'm Boom Gonzalez.
And I'm Jamie Lavatoria. We've got some special guests in the studio fresh off their on-tour travels. This is Starting Lineup.
Dancing, swaying, shooting. Puts a long palm and hits it nice to the back of the
But then again,
Isay tosses to Netura.
The PVL on tour has brought us so much fun moments, a lot of fan interactions, and here to talk about their on-tour moments are the Chocomucho Flying Titans. Some of them, of course, Isa Molde, Alina Vicar, Jaya Atienza, and Achi Juegos.
Woo! Woo!
Hindi ko alam bakit sila kinakabahan. Pati tuloy ako kinakabahan. Ano sa akin pati sa akin. Tatlo yung pinuntahan nyo, no? Tama ba? Vegan. May Batangas pa. Vegan. Ayun, yung tatlo. Sino first time dun maraming, kunwari, yung vegan? Meron bang first time? O, first time din. Tsaka yung Polo Molok din. So pag first time kayo pupunta ng mga, nakapunta ka na dun before?
yes,
Okay. So,
palarong pambansa.
palarong pambansa. So, pag pupunta kayo sa isang province for the first time, ano yung parang agenda nyo? Ano yung looking forward kayo? Other than usual na pagkain. Alam na natin yan Alam mo,
So Isa's answer.
meron pa ba kayong iniisip pag may bago kayong pupuntahan? Gamitin natin yung mic.
Siguro po, for me, yung attraction, especially sa vegan.
Okay.
Sobrang nilook forward ko talaga. Kasi first time ko, so nilook forward ko talaga na mapuntahan yung mga historic places doon and yung mismong lugar.
Ano naalala mo?
Ulan.
Ulan! Actually, hindi po kami hindi
dahil
talaga
masama
kami,
yung panahon.
hindi kami nakapaggala talaga kasi bumabagyo. Signal number 1 po ata.
Dami nga palang mga adventures na hindi volleyball related yung sa inyo nangyari, ano?
Speaking of adventures, I saw something online. What happened in South Cotabato? Achi, can you please share with us what happened?
Actually, ang dami pong nangyari doon sa araw na yun. Parang buong linggo na yung araw na yun. Unang-una, yung unang
Palapit lang,
van
ayan.
na stranded. Pero naman, kahit nangyari yun, parang tinignan na lang namin siya as positive kasi nakita namin yung mga coaches, please be with you po, na parang nag-team building po sila doon. Lahat.
So, paano nangyari? Kwento niyo naman, Alina, ano nangyari doon? Kasi hindi ko masyado nakita yung kinikwento lang sa akin ni Jimmy.
Yung kasi maulan yon, magte-training po kami. Tapos, and after nun, dadaan po kasi talaga ng pineapple farm.
Okay.
And pag ganun po kasi siya
Ilan
up and
sasakyan
down.
kayo?
Ilan tayo nun?
Tatlo rin,
Tatlong
okay,
van.
okay,
Opo.
tatlong
Tapos
van.
after nun, edi dumaan na kami dun sa may parang palalim. Tapos biglang na-stuck yung unang van, yun yung nandun sila sa loob, which is kami, nasa pangalawa.
Okay.
Kasi nag-overtake kasi sila sa amin.
Okay.
Sakto na pag-overtake nila, na-stuck sila
Ano yun,
doon.
bumigay lang yung van?
Hindi po. Lumambot yung lupa.
yung lupa.
Yes.
Opo.
Parang balahaw. Yun, ganun. Tapos,
okay.
tinitry ng driver na dumiretso pa, lumubog siya lalo.
Lalong lumubog.
Opo. So, wala nang ibang gagawin, kundi palabasin yung mga pasahero po kasi
gumaan.
para maangat
Kasi hindi matulak talaga.
Yung bonding. Yes. Kaya ayun na, nilabas sila, nakapayong, tapos yung iba lumusong, yung
Wow.
Tapos sila coach tumulong na i-push yung van. Kasi,
Umuulan to.
yes, umuulan. Pero hindi pa
May
din.
video ba tayo nito?
Yes, meron.
Ito pala. Sige nga, kwento
It's
niyo sa akin. Yan na lang pag-usapan natin. Ano naaalala mo, Isa? Sige nga, tell us about it.
Naalala ko lang po. Kasi
Nandun ka sa first van.
andun ako sa first van.
So,
Kami
ano yung pakiramdam?
nag-overtake.
Okay.
Sabi namin, sobrang bigat na ba namin?
Dami na nakain.
Sabi namin, kuya, wag mo na i-push kasi baka mas lumubog pa,
Oo nga.
inaano niya pa. So yung coaches, lumabas talaga, nag-superhero sila na. Superhero
Yung mga
namin
coaches
sila.
nandun sa una rin.
Oo, lumabas po sila nun. As in, nasa third van sila, pero lumabas sila para
okay,
mag-push
okay.
sa amin.
Yun po.
Kayo, hindi kayo lumabas?
Lumabas
kayo
po
lahat?
kami.
Kala ko
After
nagpatulak kayo, nandun kayo
Hindi
sa
po.
loob. eh.
Team bonding na po sana namin yun.
Inano sila, parang, ano to?
Kasi yung,
Iba cry.
kasi yung iba po, like si Ate Ivy, naka-supporter na, naka-tape na, sila Ate Madi, naka-sleeves na. So, ang hassle po if lulusong sila sa baba, mababasa sila. So, yung ginawa po yung iba, binuhat.
Pero yung ending, nagtanggal din sila ng socks at naglakad
Wala rin,
sila.
no choice din.
Team bonding po namin
Oh,
talaga
I'm
yun.
sure.
Oo.
I'm
Masayang
sure.
team bonding po yun.
I'm sure.
Tapos
Ano pag-
pagdating pa po namin ng training, after ng
Wait,
training,
there's
mga,
more pa yun.
Oh, yeah,
Seven.
sige nga.
Please share.
Gusto ko.
Oh, please share.
Yes.
mga 7 po, nag-brown out.
Actually, meron pa po nangyari.
Sa training.
Ayun sa kanila.
Papunta kami ng, nalampasan na po namin yung first challenge namin, yung nabaha yung van nila. Yung pangalawa naman po, may bumagsak na poste.
Oh my.
Opo, tapos sabi namin, hala, ayaw na talaga tayong pag-trainingin. Tapos pagdating po namin sa venue, nakapag-training naman po kami. Pero hindi pa natapos yung training, nag-blackout talaga. Oo, after pumalo ni Lors, nag-blackout.
Wow, dun pa lang, pinlano yata ng mga coach to, Parang yun yata yung, So, anong kinalabasan nitong, was it stressful or masaya? O, sabi niyo
At
nga,
first, stressful siya.
May
Kasi
natakot ba?
Yeah.
May
Opo, kasi
Oo.
syempre first time din namin pumunta doon, tapos first time nangyari yun. Pero at the same time, memories siya sa amin. Kasi parang at least sa susunod namin na parang, may pagkukwentuhan kami sa...
Huwag naman sana mangyari.
Sabi nga po ng coaches, mga ilang years, magsasama-sama daw po ulit kami, mapagkwentuhan yun.
Yeah, I'm
Part na
sure.
yun.
Huwag naman sana mangyari uli yung ganun,
Definitely a core memory for Chocomucho. But any other memorable moments with fans?
Oh, kasi
Because
puno rin,
on
Ang
tour,
dami rin.
right? The
Yeah.
fans, of course, Chocomucho. The crowd was there. You guys played with the fans there supporting you. How was that experience like for you? Jai, let's start with you.
Sobrang welcoming po ng mga tao. Every lugar na pupuntahan namin in Batangas, Vigan, Polomolong. Sobrang welcoming po nilang lahat. Tapos sobrang grabe yung support nila. Even if hindi namin nakukuha yung gusto naming result sa game, andun sila to support us. Yun nga, manalo, matalo, yung OB Nation, grabe.
Nasanay na ba kayo sa ganun? Kasi nga kayo yung team nyo, di ba? Sobrang super popular. You've been with them for a long time na rin and kahit saan kayo pumunta, Manila man or kung ano-anong probinsya, ikaw ba personally, parang inaasahan mo na, daming manonood yan?
Hindi po.
Sanay ka na ba?
Hindi. Hindi ako
So, ano
sanay
yung
kasi
experience
nakaka-overwhelm po talaga.
Pa rin,
ako. Ang
hanggang
dami-
ngayon?
Oo, hanggang ngayon. Na-overwhelm po talaga ako sa mga tao. Lalo na yung nasa Pulumulok po kami. Kasi Bisaya po ako. So parang feel free ako mag-Bisaya doon na
Yes.
kahit sila nagsasabi na
Correct.
mag-Tagalog, Tagalog naman. Bahala kayo dyan, mag-adjust
at
kayo.
home ka,
Andito tayo sa Pulumulok. So, nakaka-overwhelm po talaga
Pa rin,
yung mga tao.
Meron.
So,
At dun sa mga baguhan, kayo ba, parang nagugulat ba kayo? Nakikita niyo siya as an opponent, di ba, pagkalaban niyo. Pero ngayon na, anong pakiramdam na maging part ng ganung crowd, Alina? Sorry kasi, UST, pero... ay,
Yes.
sabi
Pero
ko na yun,
pero first time ko yung gano'n na parang, ang dami talaga. Parang ikaw mismo na papasok ka pa lang ng court, madami nang sa'yo. Kakabahan ka din talaga, syempre. Pero at the same time, parang be thankful kasi madaming sumusuporta sa team
of course.
and sa amin na mga Chocomucho supporters.
Saka yun yung masaya doon eh.
Yeah.
Yun yung part.
Yes, yung
That's
crowd.
part of the...
Tsaka hindi lang sa amin. Sa lahat ng teams.
Yes,
Kasi lahat ng
of
teams,
course.
umaano talaga sila.
Sabik din,
Yes,
Sabik
opo.
din sila.
Well, ladies,
Gusto kong panoorin yung
I
mga
know.
video. Sige, mag-commercial
crowd,
muna tayo.
yes, you gotta check that out, boom.
Mga vlog po yun.
Ladies, thank you for sharing that story, but don't leave just yet because we've got more with Chocomucho. When we return, keep it here on Starting Lineup. Welcome back to Starting Lineup. Still here with us are the Chocamucha Flying Titans, Isa Molde, Alina Bacar, Jai Atienza, and Achik Huegos. Let's start with you, Isa. You, out of everyone here, you have been with the Chocamucha Flying Titans, you know, the longest. We know that during the PVL on tour, you guys weren't complete. But after those 3 games, what worked? And what did you notice with the team?
So, syempre po ang daming wala. Like, may ginagawa or yung iba nasa alas. So, kami po talaga iniisip na lang namin na kompleto kami. Na kung ano po yung andyan, ilalaban na po talaga namin. Kasi doon din po makikita yung improvement ng team eh. At saka yung mga ginagawa namin sa training, nagagawa talaga sa team. Ay, sa game.
At check pagka ganitong mga pagkakataon na alam naman natin na medyo may mga mawawala. And I'm sure marami rin nakakapaglaro, ano, na ito pagkakataon to magpakita. Does it excite you na parang, ito, I have to show, this is my chance, may mga ganun. Kasi nangyari na rin sa iyo yan, di ba, na parang there were times ang ganda-ganda na linalaro mo even in previous years. Pagka maraming nai-injure. So, what's your mindset pagdating sa mga ganyan?
Parang pag ganun po, iniisip ko na lang kung paano ako makakontribute sa team. Paano ko matutulungan ang team na makapuntos, makaangat. Tapos, grateful po ako every opportunity na makapaglaro ako since madami nga kaming same positions. Kaya, tinitake ko talaga yun as opportunity na ipakita kung anong ginawa ko sa training. And yung mindset ko lang po talaga is paano makatulong sa team every game.
You know, players will really grow in this PVL on tour because of all the playing time they get, right?
Yes.
Alina, you got the starting nod for the PVL on tour. How was that experience for you? And also familiarizing yourself with the system of Coach Dante.
Yeah, nung una, syempre, nahirapan ako kasi galing ako sa previous team ko. Pero, syempre, nandun yung adjustment and inaano ko sa akin talaga yung kung ano yung sistema kasi wala na ako sa dati kong team. So, kailangan ko i-accept yung sistema na yun. And, ayun, so far, andun na yung papunta na sa na-adapt na ng katawan ko yung sistema.
As a setter, ano yung parang unang agenda mo? Pagka kunwari, di ba sinasabi, kailangan mo matutunan ng sistema, kailangan mong magamay yung mga spikers mo. Ano yung agenda mo as a setter na kailangan mo munang, yun ang nasa top ng priority mo?
Kung paano yung mga connection sa mga spikers ko. Kung tinatanong ko sila, ano ba gusto mo, mababa or ganito or mataas ba or kung sakto lang, ganun. So, yun ang una-una kong chine-check sa mga kasama. Kinakausap ko sila lahat kung ano ba yung gusto nila as a setter.
Now, Jai, as a middle, and with your relationship with Alina, how is that like? If, you know, during game-like situations, would you tell her during the game in itself na, can you set it higher, or do you do it after the game, or do you make those in-game adjustments right away?
Naging teammate na kasi kami ni Ate Alina before sa Cherry. And siguro yung connection at some point nandun na. So siguro konting tweaking na lang, adjustment na lang dun sa sistema ni Coach Dante. So syempre meron mga instructions, specific instructions si Coach sa mga setters na dapat ganito ganyan. So nag-a-adjust ako, nag-a-adjust din si Ate Alina. Pero yung connection na meron kami before, tinatry pa rin namin siyang i-apply and gawin pa rin, gamitin pa rin sa game. So, ayun. Tapos, nag-usap naman, minsan during may drills, pag di ko napalo, ganyan, tatanungin ko kung nauna ba ako ate or ano ba. Tapos, sasabihin naman ni Ate Wee kung mali ba yung distance ko or yung timing ko or what. So,
lagi sinasabi ni Alina, nauna ka lagi.
so, wala kang timing.
Loko lang. Pero yung mga laro niya out of town, mahahaba yung games, ha? May 29-27, mga 27-25. Is it parang mahirap ba yung mga ganitong klaseng games, knowing you're not complete, tapos out of town siya, and alam mo naman na in a way, it's an exhibition tournament. Ano yung parang pagkakataon na kailangan yung matutunan as a team pagdating sa mga ganitong laro na mahabaan? Kasi I'm sure yung mga resulta is not parang yung priority, di ba? Yung, syempre, gusto nyo manalo, pero ano yung mga takeaway nyo from yung mga ganitong games? Na grind din siya. Anybody, Isa, you guys can answer.
Siguro po, first yung communication and yung gelling pa ng team. Kumbaga, nakahelp talaga yung on tour para mas makilala pa namin yung isa't isa. Iba kasi kapag komportable kayo on and off the court Mas magaan maglaro kapag...
Binubuhat nyo na nga yung sarili nyo. Literal siguro naman, komportable na rin kayo, no?
Mas magaan kasi maglaro
Sure,
kapag
I'm sure.
komportable ka sa mga kasama mo. Which is nabibuild yun, not just inside the court, but also off the court. Siguro yung PBL on tour, naging isa siya sa mga instruments para mas mag-gel pa kami as a team, mas makilala pa namin yung isa't isa. And, ayun.
What about you, Isa? Takeaway from PVL on tour?
Lalo na, as a vet na
Yeah.
parang with a new... Vet, ha? Maganda yung ginagamit kong word,
That's
Isa, vet.
Every game po kasi talaga may mindset kami isa-isa. So, kanya-kanyang adjustment po talaga kami hanggang sa makuha na namin yung buo na pag ako naka-adjust na ako sa sarili ko, tutulungan ko naman sila. Yung mga ganuhang mindset lang po na porket, hindi naman porket on tour to, hindi natin ilalaban.
course.
So, kailangan talaga na may matutunan kami every game.
Kasi gaganda ng mga games, ano? Obviously, the fans ang kinabang sa sobrang ganda ng mga mahaba ang laro. How are you in terms of your health ngayon, Isa?
Baka mag-bark na. Last, po kasi, Pulumulok, hindi po talaga ako nakalaro.
Yes,
kasi
yes.
may nangyari. So, parang pag ganun-ganun po. So, lumalaban naman po pag nakaka-recover yung katawan. As in, laban po talaga every training. Sa training pa lang.
Achik, what about you? You're getting more moments of playing time. What is the biggest learning for you in this PVL on tour?
Siguro kung sa team po, yung sabi ni Ate Jai na communication. And kung sa outside naman sa court is yung banding talaga. Kasi nadadala namin siya inside the court kung paano kami magtulungan, mag-communicate. Parang kung itong teammate ko nagkamali, parang willing yung isa sumalo or tumulong sa isang player. Parang ganun po. Tapos, para sa akin, para kay self, ang dami ko pong natutunan sa on tour na mas maging competitive and ready kung saan man parang ilalagay or gagamitin. Yun po.
Alina, as a last question, what are we looking forward to sa Choco Mucho going forward? Obviously, health is number one and coming back of the other players, yun, malaking bagay para sa inyo. Pero in terms of like training, sistema, what should fans be excited about?
Ayun. Syempre, hindi doon nagtatapos yung laro. May ibang tournaments pa ng PVL. Lalaban kami hanggat sa kaya namin and ilalaban namin yung Choco Mucho. And ayun. Pero hindi magiging madali yun. Tatrabahuin po namin yun para makamit po namin yung gusto naming goal.
It must be exciting for you also, di ba? Kahit papaano, di ba? Meron ka mga kilalang mga kalaro.
Yes,
guys,
sila
Sis,
Aya.
Aya, di ba? So, yung adjustment period, hindi ganun kabigat para sa'yo, tama ba?
Yes, nung una hindi naman ganun ka maano yung adjustment period. Pero syempre galing din kami sa iba-ibang teams,
Syempre,
iba-ibang sistema.
Yes.
Pero yung connection nandun naman yon pag inaaral lang din po talaga. Lalo na ngayon na madami ng players na dadating na naman ulit.
Oo.
Yung mga galing Alas, sila
Yeah.
Aya, tsaka si Ate Don.
Correct.
So ayun, mag-adjust ulit kami sa with them and ayun, tatrabahuin namin kung ano yung kailangan naming trabahuin.
Exciting times for Choco Mucho. Sana makita na natin ang buong buo. No? Para
Yes.
magkasubukan.
Kasi hindi na bubuo
Oh, yun talaga
On tour,
yan.
hindi
Yun talaga
talaga.
yan, yun talaga
Parating
yan.
may
Right. Thank you very much
Thanks, girls.
for telling us the stories. Looking forward to some more with Choco Mucho. Thank you very much for being here, starting lineup.
Thank you.
All right, we shift to some international volleyball news after the break. Stay tuned. You're watching Starting Lineup. Welcome back to Starting Lineup. The Alas Pilipinas Under-17 squad is making some waves in the FIVB Girls World Championships in Chile. And here to talk about the girls volleyball naman, natulog na dito sa studio, Ayla Estoniero, who was with us talking about the Alas Pilipinas women's team and their historic run to the silver. And this is such a feel-good for us fans looking at the younger generation. Your general impressions first on the first win and then backing it up with another one.
Totally impressive,
Yeah.
for sure. It, like what you mentioned, Boom, it feels good for a fan perspective, for a viewer perspective, to see such young talents also create their own history in the World Championship. And it just also means that you always mention this, Boom, that we could strengthen the pipeline of players going into the higher level, into the elite level. And these are just under 17 players,
Yeah.
but if you've seen them play in that international scene, you'll be impressed by how they are playing in their age and already at that high level.
No, defeating Mexico in 4 and right after Tunisia in 3.
Sets, yeah.
Right, not easy. Ayel, what stood out for you, especially with those games?
It's definitely their attacking. If we take a look at the numbers, they out-attack Mexico, Tunisia, and even Peru in their loss against Peru. But attacking, spiking is definitely their strength. They have great attackers on their lineup, but they have also an amazing setter in Irish Mahinay. Could be the next Gia de Guzman.
Hey,
We don't
hey.
know, but
You know, we gotta. We have to. We have
I mean,
to develop.
But there is already that potential, the talent, the fact that she is there, she's the leader, she's the captain, and she's leading the team the best way possible. It shows that we have this amazing set of players that could be, again, the future of Philippine volleyball.
Okay, the sexy parts of volleyball they were good at, as you mentioned, diba? The attacking, diba? So what do they need to work on? Just as your observation going forward. We have a very important game, obviously, at 2 a.m. against Venezuela, yes.
It's gonna be consistency for sure. This is a group of players that were sort of formed also the past few months, players coming from different systems, coming from different schools. So
Good point.
it's definitely gonna take time for them to build that chemistry, to also adjust and adapt depending on their opponent. But they've already proven that they can
how
power
lucky,
through,
right?
that they could win games, and they're already into the next stage of the tournament.
Correct.
They're going into the round of 16. It's just a matter of, ranking for them, whether they're gonna be third or fourth, depending on the results of their game tomorrow. But they're already in the round of 16, so that's already big for Alas Pilipinas.
You know, Ayel, going back to Irish real quick, their main setter, and you also being a former setter, what, aside from the skill set that she showed in the game, what did you notice with her demeanor? Especially when things got tight.
Yep.
Of course, that's really the test of
Yeah.
a setter, right? Their calmness.
Yeah, exactly that, Jamie. The calmness, the composure, even in her age, she's able to deliver in crucial moments. They had tight games. If you take a look at the scores in all their games, all of it are tight games, very close games, but she's able to still stay consistent. Good decision making, has good connection with all her attackers. The fact that many of her attackers are also able to score in double digits. You have to mention Kyra Celis, Raiko as well. Really amazing outside hitters, has the power, has the smarts of playing. So they may be the standouts, but they are successful in their stint so far in the World Championship. It's because they really play as a unit, as a system in all their games.
And, two things that I love watching a couple of games from them is, one, I love the spirit. I love that they look like they belong, like they're not
They're just having fun.
enamored by everything. And then the crowd, the ganda rin ng crowd na lumalabas,
Yep.
watching the game. So we're hoping for a win, but even if we don't win against, kasi pahirap
Yep.
na to.
Yep.
At on this stages, at 2 a.m., we wish them all the luck, and the important thing, as we always say, ayan, is they take a lot of learnings from this experience. Congratulations. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations to our U17 girls. Thank you very much,
Thank
AL,
you.
for coming over again tonight.
Thank you so much, Ayel. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jamie Lavatoria.
Boom Gonzalez, this has been Starting Lineup.